Ami. Ami, wake up. Amaka. Asa. Ami. God. Wake up. Wake up. Eh? What? Hey. What? Ami, wake up. Ami. Stop this kind of thing now, eh? What is... I said you should wake up. Stop. If this is a prank, stop it now. Let me go and call your sister. Call your sister.
A few minutes later.
Photo.
You know, me and your sister, we were playing here before, but I don't know.
My sister playing here.
Like she fell down. I don't know. What I know is that I was even trying to wake her, but
I don't understand. I don't know that my sister cannot enter this kind of environment. This place is too hard now.
you know.
How will you carry my sister and enter here?
You know, so sometimes it's good to play at bush. That is why.
Which one is hey? So if you left the school compound to come here, oh God, what is this now?
I don't know. I don't even know that your sister is not feeling fine. I even think that.
Which one is you don't know? You know that she's asthmatic now.
Yeah, but sometimes you know it's good to play.
You provide my sister. See, I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you.
Let's
Sister,
come on, let's look for this side.
which side now?
This side.
See, I don't like this thing now. I don't like this thing
Come
now.
now, let's be going now.
Sister.
Let's follow this.
Let's
see. If you see her this side, I don't know. Sister, come out.
How you gonna front the causes? I don't like this thing now.
Oh no, babe.
Sister.
Hi. Babe.
Oh, where's my sister now? Where's my sister? See, if anything happens to my sister, I will kill you.
Oh,
I will call police on you.
We are looking for.
Sister.
Wait, let's look
What is that?
Let's
What
look
is
for
that?
this side. This side, maybe you know this side is someone can run inside this place and.
Who ran? I thought you said that she. Oh God! I thought you said that she was here.
Let's.
Sister.
Hey, come. She will not be here. Come this way. Come, let's come. Come.
Hey, sister.
Come.
Sister.
Come now, come and see.
Come and see what? Now come and see
Rush
what?
and come. I say you should come. Come.
I don't like this thing. I don't know my sister is not feeling fine. I know it.
Come. It's
I
like
know my sister is not feeling
it's
fine.
like I'm seeing something. Come.
What I see?
Look from this side. Just look. Are you seeing that?
I'm not seeing anything now.
Just look. Are you not seeing?
I'm not seeing.
Are you not seeing it? Oh, sister, let's.
I'm not calling me. Leave me alone. You go and I'm going on.
Let's look.
Oh, where's my sister now? Sister.
Come.
I'll go and report you to the principal.
Come now,
I'll go and report you.
Wait, listen now.
How am I still going to enter here?
Look stressed.
She cannot enter there now.
Look stressed. Hey.
What are you even doing?
I'm checking if your sister
You
can.
think I'm playing with you?
Do you see smile on my face? I'm not even playing.
Your girlfriend is missing and you're here playing with me. I don't understand.
I just love.
If you touch me, I'll give you a back. See, don't play with me. Oh. Which kind of thing is this one? See, go and look for my sister. Go and look for my sister. Oh.
Sister.
Now, would they do that one? Oh, God, do I now?
Is it not? See the person that we are looking at. Just bend down and shake.
Bend down waiting.
Bend down so that.
Down here now.
Go on, that's my sister. Sister. Wait, yeah.
Stop scaring me now. I'm looking for my sister now.
I mean, you should be looking. You should be looking so that you don't see it. Are you not seeing this?
I don't understand. No, my sister.
Hey, come, let's find it. No, not there. There's no road there. Come this way. Sister.
It's about to go down.
He shot you!
What's the meaning of this? I don't understand. What is, you want to give somebody heart attack?
Hope you have seen your sister now. You have seen your sister.
You are still playing, don't worry.
You are crying.
Don't worry. No, I'm not crying. Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
I do surprise now. Surprise. Oh, wait now. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry now. Oh, we push wait now. Sorry now.
Don't call me.
Oh, yeah, sorry now.